Yes people, FadaGugs is here again with another simple but effective video. Yes, today we're going to be making a nice smoothie. We're going to make spinach and banana smoothie. Right here, so I have about cup and a half to 2 cup of wash baby spinach. I have 1 banana. I'm going to put about a cup of almond milk and just a teaspoon or so of honey. Just to kind of give it some taste. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put the spinach in my blender. Yeah. What we are going to do, we are peel the banana. And as I say, you can use a frozen banana if you want. And just break up the banana. And drop it in it. And we have 1 cup of almond milk. Yeah. And then just a little tad of some honey. Then what we're going to do, we're going to blend up that now. Just get the top. We'll put that on the blender. Yeah. And what we're going to do, we're going to blend it up. Yes people, so see it there. Done blend up the thing. So here we have it. Nice spinach and banana smoothie. As I say, healthy and delicious. So very simple to make. So there you have it. And as I say, you could have used a frozen banana if you want. But that's it. Final product. So please make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you'll be the first of many to get new videos like these. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. FadaGugs is out.